Hello, Elizabeth Monroy here with infinitehuman.com, and finally the sun is here and it feels so wonderful. And if you're wanting to get ready for spring, to spring into something new, to raise your consciousness, raise your vibration, and detox your life physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, then I recommend that you take my mindful meditation course that's coming up. It's starting starting February 20th through March 13th. It's 2 hours every Wednesday evening from 7 to 9 and once a week, and there are assignments in between. You will be tuning in and learning how to navigate the levels in meditation, not just be feeling peaceful and running a mantra to get your brain out of the way. That's the first step, but then you will learn to actually go places and take on that higher vibration that will infiltrate your body, and then we'll work with the things that it will kickstart you into needing to let go of, so you can maintain that higher vibration of peace, love, bliss, abundance. All the things that you feel like you lack now are really there within you. You just need to step up your vibration to receive them. So I'm putting a link to the workshop, and right now if you sign up there's a 25% discount. And if you're really interested and you're having some financial problems, please send me a message, because it's not about the money, although the exchange of energy is very important, but it's also about helping people, because I think this is a really key time to step into the new you, the infinite you, and recreate your life the way you really want it to be. And those are the tools that I'll be sharing with you. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I have a master's degree in mental health counseling. I'm a certified hypnotherapist, a Reiki master, a tarot coach, and I've studied with master spiritual teachers for over 30 years. So this is what I do. This is the core of my essence, and I'd love to share it with you. And I'm in the dog park with Kiki, so she's having fun barking at people and other dogs. She's afraid to see them. So I hope you come to my meditation mindful practice workshop, and please visit the website infinitehuman.com. We've started a new school, and it's for visionary artists. So if you're interested in stepping up your creativity and artistic ability and feel called to be part of the new earth and create a project that will kickstart you as a visionary and a creative artist, then please sign up for our Infinite Human Visionary Artist Retreat, which will be happening in April. Also, if you are an artist and you're interested in mentoring, please contact me. The mentors will need to take this mindful meditation training, so they'll be able to be powerful, spiritually connected, infinite human mentors for the school. And there's a lot of exciting things going on. So if you want to learn more about me, what I do, I also do individual coaching sessions, and all sorts of wonderful things that are coming your way. So please stay connected and have a beautiful day. And I hope you can get out in the sunshine if you're in Florence, because we haven't seen it in a while. And take care. Ciao for now.